Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've just finished work, got home, and I've got changed and jumped on the GS. I'm heading over to Stratford because Jess has gone to work on her bike today, and she's advised me that it's Moto Jimm who's doing a little guest appearance at the Piston Club, which is just outside Stratford. So she suggested that I come along and we could have a drink and then go for maybe a little ride out, as a few of Jess's friends that are going to be there as well. So that'll be nice if we can all have a little ride out somewhere as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we go for a bag of chips, because I fancy that tonight. And yeah, nice to take advantage of the summer weather while we still got it. So you can bet in a few months' time we'll be losing this. So grab every opportunity that you get to go out on the bike and enjoy yourself. So hopefully the traffic won't be too bad, because I'm already running late. It's 12 minutes past 5 and I was meant to be there at 5, but the cat was refusing to come into the house, so, and then I had to sort the garage out, etc., get the bike out. You know what it's like, taking all the locks off and all that malarkey. So, and then my neighbours, which are lovely, and I was chatting to people as I'm doing it. So finally got out, and now I'm on the road. So just approaching Alcester, and we'll go through that, and then we'll be on our way to Stratford. I think it's about 10 or 15 minutes from here, I would suggest. So shouldn't be too much of a mission. I think we'll go down the dual carriageway, to be fair. In fact, no, we won't go down the dual carriageway, but we'll go through the picturesque village of Alcester. For those that don't know, it's just outside where the ABR is based. So Ragley Hall is just up the road from Alcester. It's the nearest town to Ragley Hall. So we'll have a ride through there, and you'll be able to see that. Yeah, and we'll head to the Piston Club. Motorcyclists with us. I'll say with us, with me. I bet you they are also going to the Piston Club. And I think it's just up here now on the right hand side. Yes, there it is. The Stag, it's called. I always just call it the Piston Club, that's what it's known as, but the original name is the Stag. Right, let's hope there's a break in the traffic. Oh, busy one. Brilliant, cheers.
We then headed out for a ride to Pershore for a bite to eat. It's nice to spend the evening with brilliant people and motorbikes. In particular, Lee, Danny, Dan, Ella and of course Jess. It was also really nice to see Simon from Redditch Motorcycle Training and Laura from Women's Only Motorcycle Training. Daz and Rich were also there from Bike Safe, so it was good to catch up with them again. And we met up with California Superbike School and their dog, Melvin. I want to give a special thanks to Andy for supplying me with all the drone footage which made this video possible. It was great to bump into so many familiar faces. Thank you to Moto Jimm and the Piston Club for organising this brilliant event. I'm loving the motorcycle community. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Ta-ra.